Hello, my name is Kevin Hansen, and in this moment I'm going to give you an introduction on how to get started with Scratch. The Scratch project can be found at scratch.mit.edu. Scratch is a programming language designed for children, but all ages can use it to learn programming. Scratch can be installed on a Mac, Linux, or Windows machine, but it is also available on the website itself through an online emulator. For this video, we will become familiar with Scratch using the offline Windows version, which I have already installed. Scratch is divided into three main sections. It has available commands in the left window, the primary script area in the middle, which has three tabs for costumes and sounds, and finally it has a stage window where you get to see the results of the script you are working on. Right now, I want Scratch the cat to walk around in a circle and then meow. To do this, we need to start with the event command, and then add motion blocks, and finally a sound block. Let's get started. Scratch simplifies writing code by making commands that can be clicked and dragged into the script area. The goal is to not bog down the learner into the details of syntax and language found in coding languages. This approach allows children to understand how computers process tasks and interpret programming languages. Let's get this cat moving. I'm going to start with a control block so that when I click my mouse, the action will start to take place. Now I want the cat to move 10 steps and then turn 15 degrees. So instead of moving 10 steps, let's have Scratch move a little bit more. You can click in the text area and change this from a 10 to a 20. And then at each step of the way you can test how the script is running. So I will click my mouse and Scratch moves a little bit. If I do it again, he performs the same action. And then he can eventually just walk around in a circle if I click a bunch of times. But I also want Scratch to meow for us. So you'll notice that in the Sounds tab there's already a preloaded meow sound. So if I go back to Scripts and choose the sound blocks, I see a play sound meow, so I'll do that and click and drag that into the sequence and click. Well, Scratch moves and then he meows, but I want him to walk into a circle first and then meow. So I need to pull my script apart a little bit. The elements are working, I just need to rearrange them. If I go to the control blocks again, I see a repeat section. So I'll pull that into my script, and it says repeat 10 times. Then I'll take what I want it to repeat, which is the move and walk around 15 degrees, and then I'll put the play sound for the meow. And then to button this all up, I'll put a stop script at the end of this. Let's see how this works. If I click my mouse, Scratch moves almost in the circle and stops and meows. So if I increase my repeats to 15, let's see how this works. That looks like it's doing what I want to do. Now all that is left is to save my script so that I can come back and work on it later. To do that, I click File, Save As, give it a name, press OK. Scratch can be used for more complex tasks, and I highly encourage looking at the tutorials on the MIT website under the Explore menu. Thank you for watching.